What is an enzyme cleaner? Also called enzymatic cleaner, an enzyme cleaner is a type of cleanser that has enzymes within it. These enzymes cause a chemical reaction when applied on a specific type of dirt, such as human pee, animal pee, and more. During this reaction, different molecules, which are causing the bad smell or stain, are broken into smaller pieces, making them easier to remove when you rinse or wipe the dirt away. This type of cleaning product is typically used on surfaces and materials that are prone to accumulating organic matter, such as carpets, mattresses, upholstery, bedding, and clothing. Enzyme cleaners are used both in households and workplaces where there is a dire need to remove bad odors and dirtiness. To maintain a clean and healthy home or workspace, one of the best ways is to make use of an enzymatic cleaner.
What does an enzyme cleaner do?
An enzyme cleaner can get you rid of the following stains: pet urine, pet feces, baby food, dairy products, sweat, blood, vomit, mud, coffee, tea, rust, cooking oil, grease, cosmetics, and more. They also eliminate persistent odors caused by bacteria, mold, and other microorganisms. So they're a great choice for cleaning up after pets or for removing musty smells from fabrics and surfaces.
What are enzyme cleaners made of?
The specific ingredients may vary depending on the brand and the specific type of cleaner, but there are some common enzymes that you will find in many of them, such as proteases, lipases, amylases, cellulases, and uricases. Enzyme cleaners may also contain other ingredients such as surfactants and fragrances to help with deodorizing.
When would I use an enzymatic cleaner?
You would use an enzymatic cleaner whenever you want to get rid of a stain or a nasty smell. Enzymes are widely used in various industries, including the cleaning industry, to remove tough stains and lingering bad smells.
On what surfaces can I use an enzyme cleaner?
Enzyme cleaners work on the same wide range of surfaces as traditional cleaning products do. Number 1. They clean and deodorize kitchen surfaces like counters and kitchen equipment like cutting boards. Number 2. They are effective on bathroom surfaces like countertops, sinks, and tiles. Number 3. They clean floors. Number 4. They clean carpets and upholstery, including in your car. They can clean human urine or pet urine or poop, food spills, smoke, etc. Number 5. They can be used to pre-treat stains on clothing before washing clothes, linens, and other fabrics. Apply the cleaner to the specific area, allow it to penetrate for at least 15 minutes, and then wash your item as usual. Number 6. They can be effective on grout and other porous surfaces, such as tiles and concrete. Number 7. Septic tanks and drains. They prevent clogs and stinkiness and clear clogged drains. Number 8. They clean and deodorize toilets. Number 9. You can clean garbage cans. Number 10. Pet areas. If you are a pet owner, you know that accidents happen. To clean up pet urine, pet vomit, or pet feces, you can use an enzyme cleaner on litter boxes and kennels. Number 11. They clean outdoor surfaces such as patios, decks, and sidewalks. Number 12. They clean business workplaces, including retailers, restaurants, offices, or manufacturing.
What are the benefits of using enzymatic cleaners in cleaning?
There are many benefits. 1. They are very effective on the stains and odors they target. 2. They are biodegradable and eco-friendly, making them safer to use for people and the environment. 3. They are non-toxic. They do not contain harmful chemicals, making them safe to use around pets and children. 4. They are gentle on fabrics and surfaces. Because they work by breaking down organic materials, they do not rely on harsh chemicals to remove the dirt. This makes them a good choice for cleaning delicate fabrics, such as silk or wool, as well as sensitive surfaces, such as wood or stone. 5. They are long-lasting. They continue to work even after the initial cleaning has been completed. The results are long-lasting as long as the source of the problem has been removed. 6. They can be used in a wide range of cleaning applications, including laundry, carpet cleaning, and hard surface cleaning.
Give me some tips for using enzyme cleaners effectively.
Sure. Number 1. Choose the right one for the task. Different enzyme cleaners are formulated to target specific types of stains and odors. For example, some are specifically designed to remove pet stains, while others are more effective at removing food stains. Be sure to choose a cleaner that is appropriate for the stain or smell you are trying to remove. Number 2. Follow the manufacturer's instructions. Enzyme cleaners usually come with detailed instructions for use. Be sure to follow these instructions carefully. Do not use more detergent than is recommended, as this can lead to excess suds and reduce their effectiveness. Number 3. Use warm water. Enzyme cleaners can be used in both hot and cold water, but are usually more effective when used with warm water, as this helps to activate the enzymes and speed up the cleaning process. Number 4. Be patient. Enzyme cleaners may take longer to work than traditional chemical cleaners because rather than simply covering dirtiness, they rely on enzymes to break down the stain or smell. Be patient and allow the cleaner to work for the recommended amount of time before rinsing or wiping it away.
What is the difference between an enzyme cleaner and an all-purpose cleaner?
All-purpose cleaners are cleaning products that are more versatile. They are formulated to remove a wide range of dirt and grime. Some all-purpose cleaners have enzymes as a component, but not all do. On the other hand, enzymatic cleaners are cleaning products that contain enzymes and are typically used for specific types of stains or odors.
Who are enzyme cleaners for?
Enzymatic cleaners are the best for anyone looking for a safe, natural, non-toxic, powerful, and effective cleaning solution, whether it be at home or in the workplace. And while they may cost more than standard conventional cleaners, the benefits of using them far outweigh their cost, thanks to their unique cleaning power.
Where can I get an enzyme cleaner?
You can get your enzyme cleaner in many supermarkets, or you can order it online and have it delivered to you by using the link in the description below.